Alright, y'all, so I am back with another trade recap video. So I just wanted to go over this. I wanted to start off the new year being consistent about this, especially since I had some issues with Instagram. I'm not so sure that I'm continue to post my trades on there, so I was like, you know what, I might as well just make videos of my trades, because I never have any issues pretty much with YouTube, and it just seems like it would be a better way of trying to I don't know, explain the content anywho, and just for a mirage of reasons. It just makes more sense to use or make videos on YouTube explaining what's going on. So, and letting these serve as trading recaps and trading posts, if you will, a trading diary journal. So it'll be like playing the tape back. So anywho, this is the trade that I took last night. I took it around 6. Now I took profit early this morning. As you can kind of see, this was the 1 hour trend line here. And basically I took profit like right here. I was kind of in a 1-to-1. I didn't really get into the entry that I wanted. So I'm trying to mark that as TP1. And honestly, so I took profit right there. I think it was, well, actually, let me see. Oh, I'm tripping. I took profit at 12 this morning. And that is why I'm trying to say that I went back to sleep. So, because I put the trade in at around 6 and then fell off to sleep between 8 and basically 12 a.m. So when I woke up and I saw that price was right there, it was pretty much a 1-to-1 for me because I didn't get into the entry that I wanted. I would have preferred to get into this where the wick is right here on the 6 p.m. chart. I would have wanted to get in right there, but I got in more or less like pretty much up here, and it just kind of threw off my risk to reward settings. So like it just wasn't what I wanted. I had to basically make the trade. I was okay to just have the trade be a 1-to-1 because I had to adjust my stop loss, and so it just made it just kind of altered my trading plan. So anywho, that's when I got out. Again, that was around 12 o'clock, and yeah, basically price, you could see, came and touched this this trend line here, this 1 hour trend line. So that's when I was like, you know what, I'll just go ahead and get out right here. It was 12 in the morning. I went back to sleep. Now price, as you can see, pushed back down to my entry point, which is what I was trying to avoid because I wasn't sure if NAS would, because this was an area of like kind of support and resistance on this day trend line here. So I just was like, I didn't necessarily want, I just didn't want price to like break down and try to retest, I guess, this 1 hour order block down here. So yeah, so that's why I went ahead and took profit there. But it would have been nice to have either, I guess, put in a limit order. I think that's what I may start doing. Put in limit orders. Make use of limit orders. So I could have caught this with the potential and then had a better entry. And then, because ultimately I drew up the trade like this, and the price ended up going north and fulfilling the 4 hour and the 1 hour inefficiency, and I guess even this weekly inefficiency. So and hit this a lot, and basically I'd say so. Anywho, that is what I wanted to do in this video. Just kind of portray the thought process and just have it and potentially pass the combine. So yeah, that was a trade markup for this past trade yesterday. And also to just kind of wanted to mention putting notes, having like a note sheet keeping up with what has actually occurred. So if y'all found value in this video, please like and subscribe, and